So just to clarify to everybody, we will be announcing the best actress, but the name we will mention is the name of our vlogger. In Pangasinan, which always amuses his kabalanes. Let's give it up for Mr. DJ Alegria, aka Kabalayan Next!
This vlogger is known to travel all Pangasinan, showcasing the natural beauty of our province with his amazing drone shots. Let's give applause to Mr. Jerry Sinetsi, aka Kabalayan TV.
Looking for your next motorcycle and you're curious about the specifications, just head on to this vlogger's page and there is a chance that he's given reviews to your desired rides. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Edwin Fernandez, aka Learn More PH.
This master is well known in the motor show community, showcasing his amazing customized motorcycles. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jerry Fabia, aka Master Jeru.
The next motovlogger can connect you to the best spots and sites for riding your motorcycles. Mapa long rides or endurance challenges man. This is Nixon Vietnam, aka Moto Wi-Fi.
As this vlogger's name suggests, he is very fond of traveling and showcasing amazing places here in our country, mula Luzon hanggang Mindanao. He already traveled far and wide. Please welcome Bernard Galvez, aka Nardo Viajero TV.
Robinson's Pangasinan, the next on our list. This motovlogger also loves traveling, visiting places and showcasing his motorcycling craft. Let's give it up for Voltaire Tolentino, aka Papa Volt.
And lastly, this vlogger is also renowned for his food content. Palagi siyang nakikita sa mga restaurants and coffee shops, wearing his signature steady hat. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ron Melendez, aka Pangasinan Nomad.
Grabe, Miss Beth, ang dami namang makapasok sa grand finals natin.
Yes, grabe sila. Mga 30 po yung entries na natanggap natin, and 13 ang pumasok sa finals.
From 30 to 30, ang ibig sabihin, hindi nyo talaga napigil na i-cut out i-cut down pa na mas mababa kasi mas deserving talaga silang lahat.
Yes. Out of 30, 12 ang nag-submit ng video.
Grabe yung show nila pinagdaanan ng mga vloggers na ito. Kaya kung ako naman, sigurado mahihirapan yung mga judges natin dahil sabi nga ni Sir Alfred Watermax, sobrang gagaling nyo para mahirapan ang mga judges natin. And of course, ito na, Miss Beth, pwede naman natin introduce ang ating mga judges.
Bago yan, Waki, bigyan muna natin sila ng pasasalamat. So once a group of companies will be giving you guys a certificate, a voucher from Monarch Hotel and Pedritos. Grabe kasi yung effort nila, hindi mo rin talaga matatawaran.
Napasana all ako doon. Alam mo, ang hirap niya sa pag-vlog, Miss Beth, tapos bigla mo silang papagpahinga, ibibigyan mo sila ng leisure, ng luxury sa Monarch Hotel. Grabe yun na. Meron pa ang pagkain. Masarap ang pagkain from Pedritos.
Yes.
I like
At
that.
pasalubong sa kanilang mga pamilya.
Sana ako din.
Subukan nyo ang aming hopya. Masarap yan.
Wow! Well deserved, everyone. Advance congratulations dito pa lang. You are all winners.
Alright everyone, isang bilisang photo ops, Waki. Congratulations to all of our Pangasinan influencers who made it to the finals.
This is such an achievement, di ba? Pwedeng ipagmalaki sa mga apo at anak, sabi nga nila.
Pinagpaguran nyo yan guys. I know, pinagpaguran nyo yan. Alright.
Wala yung photo ko. Miss Beth, let's look at the camera. There is the official photographer. Thank you so much,
Thank you
everyone.
so much. Finalists later on, magkikita po tayo. Thank you.
Alam mo, Miss Beth, sa ginagawa natin sa kanya, parang ilang natin sila, lalo natin sa nagkakatinig ng show ngayon, ng pressure ngayon. Hindi mo ba natin alam kung sino yung winner? Kailangan mo natin makilala kung sino yung mga judges.
video. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Netizens Choice Award. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga madaming nag-likes, maraming nag-react, maraming nag-share.
Yes, because they saw it from your Facebook page,
Yes.
at your Guanzon group of companies, yung mga kapamilya, kabarkada, and even your fans, talagang sinundan kayo doon, and you have to thank them if you will be the winner. Kasi yung suporta from the beginning up to the end.
Yes, hindi lang yon, kahit sa pag-shoot nila, kasama nila yung mga kaibigan at kapamilya nila.
I actually heard maraming mga nag-participate eh, kasi mamaya, aside from this award, marami pa nag-iintay. So now, let's begin, because to present this award, may we call on our representative from our company, of course, Kobe Motor Care Philippines, our Kobe brand manager for North Luzon. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the ever lovely and beautiful Miss Aya Carolino. Bisaya, please come and join us here on stage to present the award for the Netizens' Choice Award, our first special award for tonight.
Yeah, before that, I would like to call on the General Manager for Mobile Phone Division. I would like to call on GM Norman Tandok, sir, to award the Netizen Choice Award. And also to give our appreciation to Kobe Motor Philippines
Oh, really?
para sa support nyo sa amin, di ba?
Of course.
Balita ko yung award nyo, isang great, kung kakasya ka lang siya sa 20 by 20 truck.
Because we want the winner to experience our products, our prime and leading products. Siyempre, ito na!
Okay, wag na nating patagalin. And the Netizen Choice Award goes to DJ Allegra, aka Kabalayan. Next!
Congratulations! Netizens' Choice Award.
Wow! Isang award pa lang yan.
Oh, well, please enjoy this. Congratulations. That's all from Kobe Motor Care Philippines. Palapakan mo natin ang Kobe. And again, congratulations to the winner.
Congratulations, Kabalayan. Next! Isang great na Kobe Motor Care.
Okay, ito na. To present the award, may we call on stage the representatives from Sunda, Philippines. And here we have their General Manager, Mr. Jude Lavina, and the Product Manager, Mr. Tom Leonardo. Representing Guanzon Group of Companies, of course, we have Mr. Roger Bernabe, our Assistant Vice President for Corporate Admin and HCM. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin sila. Again, may we invite our representatives from Sunda, Philippines.
From Sandra, Philippines.
Together with Mr. Roger Bernabe. Miss Beth. Again, may we have our
Darren Kagiwa Vlog.
congratulations, Mr. Daryl Kakiwa. And that was our second special award tonight. Most Inspiring Award.
The most visually stunning video entry among of our finalists. Let's find out who will be awarded the best in cinematography.
Wow, parang natapos ng Metro Manila International Film Festival. Eto naman, Pangasinan Influencer'S Face of Most or the Best Cinematography.
Okay. And the best in cinematography award goes to Mr. Jones Doria.
Congratulations, please come up on stage. Jones Doria, Best in Cinematography.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating best in cinematography. Thank you so much, Sir Roger. Kailang. And the Hatasuki Award goes to Kadala TV!
At the Suki's Award, Katalig TV, congratulations! Please join us here on stage and accept your prize.
Grabe, kinikilabutan ako, Joaquin!
Nakita ko pa lang, di pa nga inaakit. Parang ano na. Sobrang interesting na yung mga susunod na premyo, no? Nakita ko, eto na. And for our representatives, please stay on stage. For Hatasa Philippines Star Support for the Pangasinan Influencer'S Face Off, Mr. GM.
Award goes to
Goes to finalists kung wala kayong masyado ipapamigay.
Swipe lang, swipe lang, swipe lang.
Ang dami naman ito. And as a token of appreciation for Kawasaki Motors Philippines Corporation, Mr. Norman Tandao will be presenting the certificate of appreciation for their support to this contest. Thank you, sir. And once again, congratulations to our winner. 2 down, 2 more to go.
And the winner of the Suzuki Suppliers Choice Award goes to
The winner, Master Jeru.
Congratulations, Master Cheru! Suzuki Choice Award to be receiving 50,000 pesos cash.
And as a token of appreciation for Suzuki Philippines, General Manager Rex will be presenting the certificate of appreciation to the support of Suzuki for the Pangasinan Influencer'S space is none other than Papa Vol. Papa Vol!
Papa Paul is now on stage.
For winning the Yamaha Suppliers Choice Award!
4 different winners from 4 different big companies worth 50,000 pesos. And of course, as a token of appreciation for Yamaha Motor Philippines, we have our GM Jessa to present the certificate of appreciation for the much support of this contest.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much to Papa Vol.
Thank you, Papa Bob.
You may now enjoy your check worth 15,000 pesos. This time, let's have representatives from Yamaha Motor Philippines receiving the award from General Manager Ms. Jessa Natividad.
Thank you so much, Yamaha Motor Philippines, for your generosity and supporting the Pangasinan Influencer'S space. To award the Best Actor and Best Actress.
Alright, so just to clarify to everybody, we will be announcing the Best Actress, but the name we will mention is the name of our vlogger. Pero i-acknowledge natin yung kuminang na actress sa ginawa niyang vlog dito sa Influencer'S Face Off. Again, hindi po natin tatawagin ang pangalan ng actress na yon, but the name of the vlogger in this contest, yun ang tatawagin natin. And I am really excited to know kung sino ang Best Actress at Best Actor natin tonight. Eto na, alam ko, yung mga taga Guanzon, yung mga judges natin, sila na surprise. Lahat pwede maging Best Actor pero isa lang.
For Best Actor, tawagin natin Mr. Darren Capiwapa.
And
Kabalayan, next for Ponchana.
And here's the video of their performances. Best Actress Award, Kabalayan next. Best Actor Award, Darren Cagiwa Vlog.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all our winners. Of course, to Sir Tyler and Sir Alfred, thank you so much. From the Best Actor and the Best Actress, now we move on to Yes FM Tagumans, Miss Margaret Manindig, aka Christine Dera. And what's up, Tagumans? Mr. Simon Francis Bistro. Please join us here on stage to present the award for our second runner-up.
Congratulations, Mr. Simon Francis Bistro. 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 Congratulations, Mr
But before that, to award the first runner-up, I would like to call on stage Energy FM's Tagupan, very own Mr. Arman Corpus, aka Aparoni, and What's Up Pangasinan's Mr. Nelson Manzano to present the award for our Gold Awardee, together with, of course, the Assistant Vice President for Corporate Admin and HCM from Guanzon Group of Companies. Please welcome Mr. Roger Bernabe.
Parang Miss Universe lang to. Pag in-announce ko ang gold winner, alam na natin ang grand winner. The first ever Pangasinan Face Off Influencer.
Once again, the winner will receive 20,000 pesos plus the vlogger's eyes ang tumatalo sa YouTube play button.
And the first runner-up goes to Nardo Viajero!
Is worth 60,000 pesos plus a special platinum plaque that we call the Vlogger's Eyes from Guanzon Group of Companies.
Congratulations po sa lahat ng winner tonight. After ng photo op, we will be inviting everyone to join us here on stage sa part ng event na to para po sa ating souvenir photo.
And everyone please don't go away because we have another special announcement right after this. Dahil hindi pa natatapos ang Guanzon Fest, first day pa lang to, meron pa tayong second day. Of course,
Hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the vibe.
Congrats, sir. Sir, congrats. Congrats.
We
Sir, congrats.
rise like
Sir, congrats.
tall buildings
Sir, congrats.
as the
Ay, congrats po.
chemicals that take
Congrats
us
po.
higher.
Ay, sir, congrats.
The night's
congrats po.
young and it's just
Congrats, congrats, sir.
begun.
Congrats, sir.
As she puts her hand
Papa! Yan o.
we wanna chase the night.
Sir, congrats.
Wanna dance
Grabe, galing.
With the effort with MJ and Zay.
just
Part ka rin ito. Kasi hindi mo speaker. Part ka rin ito. And say, you're the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank
All
you.
gear.
Yes, sir.